Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials so troubleshooting proceeds smoothly. First, make sure the laptop has sufficient power and airplane mode is off. That prevents false negatives. Next, gather the model number and a second device so you can download drivers if necessary. Then, connect via Ethernet or phone tethering to maintain internet while you fix the adapter. Once done, open Device Manager to observe the adapter state. This shows whether it's disabled, missing, or flagged with an error code, which determines the next step. You now diagnose and execute the core repair steps. In Device Manager, disable then re-enable the wireless adapter to clear temporary faults. If code appears, note it. Next, uninstall the adapter driver and restart the laptop so Windows attempts a fresh install. If Windows fails, install the manufacturer driver you downloaded. Also check BIOS or UEFI settings and any physical wireless switch. Sometimes the adapter is turned off at firmware level. Make sure the network service dependencies are running, then recheck connectivity. You finish by validating the fix and preparing fallback options. Run the built-in network troubleshooter to apply common repairs and confirm the SSID is visible and credentials are correct. If the internal adapter still fails, test with a USB Wi-Fi dongle. This isolates whether the laptop's radio hardware is bad. If hardware looks faulty, power down, remove power and battery where possible, and carefully reseat the M.2 Wi-Fi card. If problems persist, schedule professional repair. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.